Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Lena, and I got a pretty cool video for you today. In this video, I'm going to be making a faux fireplace inspired by TikTok. Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and get right into it. I order a lot from Amazon and I usually let the boxes pile up for a bit before recycling them. Luckily, I have the perfect size boxes all ready to do this project. I like to kind of make these DIY projects my own and put my own little twist on them. So I decided to put my space heater inside that mimics a fireplace. So first I measured the space heater to make sure the hole was the perfect size. Then I cut out the hole. I double checked to make sure the hole was large enough, and I'm glad I did because it was about 2 or 3 inches too short. I placed black construction paper on the floor of the box so it has a nice clean look. I stacked the other boxes on top to make the mantle and glued them down, just to make sure they don't slide all around. Since the boxes didn't sit completely flat, I added some weights on top just to make sure they dry as level as possible. I got some red construction paper as close to the color of red brick as possible. Then I cut out some rectangles for the bricks. So I want this faux fireplace to look like a real fireplace as much as possible, at least from far away. Now I'm just gluing on gray construction paper, and this will act as the mortar between the bricks. After I was done with that, it was time to cover the mantle with some white construction paper. At this time, I started running out of glue. And as you can see, I have all of my glue bottles turned upside down in the red cup to try to make sure I can use every last drop of glue I have. Unfortunately, I ran out of glue and decided to use those purple Elmer's glue sticks. I had a few lying around, but that ended up being a huge mistake, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in a sec. So y'all, I let this glue dry for hours, and this is what it ended up looking like. I had to use a lot of glue to try to get the paper to stick down, and because of that, the purple did not dry clear. But not to worry, I found a way to make it work in the end. So y'all, now it's time to place on the bricks. I went to the store and got some more glue. Unfortunately, they didn't have the kind I wanted, which was the fast drying formula that I ordered from Amazon. But they did have this clear gel tacky glue by the same brand that ended up working really well for just placing on the bricks. So here I am cutting a hole in the back of the fireplace for the cord for the space heater. I slid the space heater into the hole, and because the mantle didn't turn out as expected, I got this piece of fleece fabric from Walmart and put it on top. Now y'all, be careful with adding a space heater. Make sure it's one of those where the heat comes out from the bottom. On my space heater, the heat does come out from the bottom, but I would never leave it unattended. Don't burn your house down now, y'all. Alright y'all, so this is the final product. What do you think? Now I can continue the tradition of decorating the mantle and hanging Christmas stockings. I hope you guys really like my decorations. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead and give me one of them likes. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and please subscribe because I got a lot of pretty more cool videos to come. Bye y'all!